In this guide, you'll learn how to fix YouTube video captions not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your YouTube app. Make sure your captions are actually enabled. Launch any of the video. Click on the gear icon. Click on the option captions, and from here you can enable it. If captions still don't appear, try refreshing the page or closing the app completely and reopening it. This might also fix your issue. Likewise, check your internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent captions from loading correctly. If you are using a web, clear browser cache and cookies, then reload YouTube. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated software can cause subtitle related issues. Lastly, you can also go to YouTube settings and verify that subtitles and captions are enabled in your playback preferences. For that, launch YouTube. Navigate to You page, click on the gear icon, head over to the option playback. Inside this, you might find the option of captions. Make sure that is enabled. So that's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.